Well, if a prospective purchaser forgoes an appraisal, they're not going to get a mortgage. No mortgage company that I'm aware of has set aside the appraisal requirements before they will issue a mortgage. And in fact, it's kind of interesting. In the last 2 months, the mortgage companies are actually getting more strict in what they are requiring as opposed to less strict in order to issue a mortgage. So, and then if somebody wants to pay cash, certainly there's not going to be a legal issue that comes up from that if it's a cash deal. But you certainly may be overvaluing a property. You don't have experience in that particular industry or market, and even if you do, things may have changed very, very quickly, and you may not be able to have access to all the comps that the appraisers use, and also too that the realtors use. In regard to inspections, that all depends on the nature of the property. It all depends on the deal. So that really hasn't changed much in my analysis anyway, from pre-coronavirus times. It kind of, an appraisal, if you're going to get a mortgage, you have to have one. If you're going to pay cash, most people don't get appraisals when they're purchasing a property for cash. So they're relying on their own analysis of the worth of the property, or relying on the realtor's analysis, because a realtor can pull up comps. They're not necessarily appraisers. They can pull up comps. In regard to inspection, it just depends. It depends on how old the property is. It depends on how risk averse the potential or prospective purchaser is. So all those same criteria apply kind of post-virus as opposed to pre-virus. So really that hasn't changed all that much. It's kind of a case-by-case analysis in regard to either appraisals or inspections.